Hey, welcome to New Year's Resolutions from the Heart. I'm so excited to be your partner through this process. Now, I've decided to do these videos unscripted, unedited, and uncut because I want it to feel like you and I are having a conversation. So you and I are on the phone and I'm your life coach and I'm taking you through this process. Now, before we get started, make sure that you have grabbed your workbook for this process, the New Year's Resolutions Tracker. It's actually going to help you track 5 years of New Year's resolutions. It's going to be great. It's going to keep you organized. The link should be below, depending on where it is that you are seeing this video, but it's lauraerdmanluntz.com/NYR. Totally free. Go grab it, download it. The other thing you will be getting is a list of oils and yoga poses that are going to correspond with each of the steps. So I'm also creating a separate video for each of the steps where I talk about the oils and yoga that you can do because it's going to help. It's going to be really powerful. So these videos in life coaching just go through your minds and your hearts, if you will. And there's only so far we can go with our minds. Essential oils will help you change and shift energetically, and yoga will help you shift physically and energetically, which I'll talk about more on those videos. So you're definitely going to want to check them out. And if you're interested in getting the oils that I use in my life, the link is below for that too. It's all Young Living, and I'm all about Young Living, and there is a reason for that. Okay, so this process is all about stopping, taking the time to really look around and make sure the life that you are living is the one you really want. And there's going to be parts of your life that you're like, this is great. I love this. This is exactly where I want to be. And I guarantee there are areas of your life where you are ready to shift and change. And that's probably why you were drawn to this series in the first place. And those things that you want to shift and change, that's what we are going to work on through this process. And we're going to work on it in a way that actually helps you make the transition, that transformation into what it is you really want. The status quo, the way your life currently is very luring. It just keeps sucking you back, right? Like you might start and make changes, and then after a couple of weeks, you're right back to where you started, which is why New Year's resolutions have a life expectancy, I believe, of 14 days. And then by then, everyone is back to where they used to be. We are going to change that with the series. I'm going to help you really step into what it is that you really want and to make the changes you really want to make. So if you're ready, I am ready to partner with you. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you more.